So here I'm going camping. It's pretty fun. And yeah, I need to go put my helmet on. Boom. I need to go to my bike, ride it, and we're riding. So, just doing that. It's pretty fun. Yeah, basically this is a Disney resort. We went to a park yesterday. Also, yes, this is a voiceover. And it was pretty fun. So, yeah. So if you're wondering what happened to the original footage, it basically broke. Like, it was just a big hum. Like that. So, yeah. Here it's pretty fun. And we went to the water park yesterday. No, I think I already said that. So, yeah. I'm just ride to my next destination. And see you guys there. So on top of my bike is like a giant teleporter. I'm gonna click it and here we are. Our thing is 2000. Oh, the teleporter failed. The thing is 2001 to 2069. I forgot what ours was, but it's somewhere in between those. So yeah. Oh, what happened? The teleporter failed. And my bike's over there, but I know how to get home. So it's fine. Bye.